Hi there. In this screencast, we'll look at time tracking. So what we can do with time tracking is we can create a job for a customer, have an employee work on that job, and then we can bill the customer for the time that that employee spent on that job. We can then pay the employee for the time they spent on that job as well. So first of all, we have to turn on a particular option. So it's Edit, Preferences. Right at the bottom, we have Time and Expenses, Company Preferences, and we're going to create invoices from a list of time and expenses. And choose OK. Now we're going to create a job for a customer. So we go to Customers, and it's Martinez Advertising. So I'll click once on Martinez, and I'll choose New Customer and Job, and add a job. So this job is for Martinez, and the job is Design Office. For March 16th, 2016. And we have a job info here. So the description is Design Office for New Manager. The type is Commercial. Job status, they've agreed to have us do the job. And it starts on March 14th. And we hope to finish it by the 18th. Once we finish the job, we'll enter the actual end date, and we choose OK. So we've created the job. Let's quickly record the time that the employee spent doing the job. So I'm done with my Customer Center. I'll close this. We just choose Enter Time. Use Weekly Timesheet. It's for the week March 14th to March 20th, 2016. So I'm just going to page back. March of 2016. And it is the 14th. This is for Vivian. And we'll use the data for paycheck creation, yes. We choose the job we created. The service item is S105, so it was a consultation job. Payroll item is hourly wage, and then we can record the hours. So she spent 5 hours on Monday, 5 hours on Tuesday, and 7 hours on Wednesday. And save and close. Bill the customer for the time that our employee spent on the job. We just choose Invoices, Invoice for Time and Expenses. Choose OK here. And the date range is 14/3/16. There's the job, the recorded time for. You can choose that, create invoice, and we're billing them on the 21st. Save and close. So I'm done with my invoice for time and expenses. We want to pay Vivian for the time that she spent working on the job. Pay employees. That pops over to the Payroll tab of the Employee Center, and we'll start the weekly payroll schedule. And OK. Oops, I should have just closed that. And Alvin worked 37 hours, no overtime, so we want to remove that overtime. We can just do that there. And Vivian, we're going to have to take a closer look at her paycheck. We get a little alert that she owes us $200, so we have to make sure she pays us back. 20 hours hourly. And then for the job that she did as well, we're going to pay her those 17 hours. and she earned a little more for that job, we're going to pay her an extra $2 an hour for that job. And she's also paying back the advance. So notice once I choose advance here, I get this advance line in my employee summary. I can now choose minus 200 there and save and close. And continue, create paychecks, and I'm also going to process the bi-weekly as well. Nothing different there. I'll just choose continue and create paychecks. All right, so that is using invoice for time and expenses and enter time commands in QuickBooks. Thanks so much for watching.